Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everybody. How are you today? Keep spirit, okay? Before we begin to learning, let me introduce myself. My name is Setyaningrum and you can call me Miss Lestari. I'm from Mathematics Department of Tidar University. Okay, before we start to learning, let's pray together. Okay, finish. Okay, are you ready to study? Yes, make sure you are ready. Make sure today you are ready to study. Please prepare your book, your pen, and open your book. Today we will study mathematics about logit and set.
Okay, has anyone know about logit and set? Okay, let's see in this PPT. First, we start from the definition about logit. Logit is a method and principle that can be firmly separated between precise reasoning and improper reasoning. And then we will discuss about statement or preposition. Statement or preposition is statement that has been known for its correct value. It can be true statement or false statement. For the example is Soekarno was the first Indonesian president. This is the correct. This is the statement, and this is the true statement. And then 6 is a prime number. This is the statement, but this is a false statement because 6 is not a prime number. And then kind of compound statement. The first is conjunction. Conjunction is are two statements combined using the interconnective word and. The symbol is this. And then the word that can be used in conjunction is and, however, if, when, like, that, and thought. For the example, Rara wears a hat and Rara wears a jacket. The conjunction is and. The word in underline is the conjunction. And then the second is disjunction. Disjunction is are two statements combined using the interconnective word by or. The symbol is this. And then the word that can be used is or, if, whatever, and the else. For the example, Wisnu was born in Jakarta or Wisnu was born in the hospital. The word in the underline is the disjunction. And then the negation. Negation is a statement that is of true value that then the negation is wrong and vice versa. The symbol of the conjunction is this. The word that can we use in the negation is not, not true, and the else. For the example, P is this flower is beautiful. So the conjunction is this flower is not beautiful. The word in the word by underline is the negation. The fourth is implication. Implication are two statements that containing form if blah blah blah, then blah blah blah. The symbol is this, and then the word that can be used is if P, then Q, P, if Q, P cause Q, and the else. For the example, if the water runs out, then humans cannot drink. The word with underline is the implication. And then the last kind of compound statement is the implication. The implication are two statements contained from blah blah blah, if and only if blah blah blah. The symbol is this. Then for the example is the heart can be beat if and only if the human being is still alive. The word with underline is the implication. And then the second is about set. Set is collection of objects which have some or equal characteristic. The objects in a set are called elements or member of the set. For the example, if there is a symbol T, element E, we can write T is an element of E, or T is a member of E, or T belongs to E. The second example is U, not element E. It can write by U is not an element of E. U is not a member of E. U does not belongs to E. And then this is comparing two set. E, the symbol can be read E is equal to B. And then the symbol can be read E is subset of B, or E contained in B. And then the symbol can read E as E is subset of or equal to B. And then this symbol can be read E is superset of B, or E contains B. This is the set operation. The first is this symbol can read it E, the union E, the union of E and B, and then we can read the intersection of E and B, and then this is we can read the difference between E and B, or E minus B, and then this is can we read the Cartesian product of E and B, or E cross B. Maybe it's enough for me, the material that I share with you. To know your understand, please do this exercise, do it on paper, and then scan it and collect to me via email. Okay? Thank you.
Maybe it's enough from me. See you in the next lesson. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.